washing it. Remember, prevention is better than cure. So guys, we already sanitized this.
Okay guys, let's open it. Okay guys, let's start. Open it. This is from Mr. Hu from Shanghai, China.
Wow.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, we are.
Are you guys excited to go in Bulusan?
Go fishing?
Wow, big bubble wrap. Give me the big bubble wrap.
Oh, that's why it's cold.
So what
Tadam,
is it?
tadam, tadam.
No, give me the
Yes, hold the gun.
brush.
Give me that. I want that.
Here,
What's that?
we bought 2 fishing rods.
That is fishing
It's
rod.
cute. It's like a floaty.
My
Hot.
Yeah, assemble po pala to. Anong kulay yung sa akin? Red?
No, you're not color.
what color you want. The other one is for my brother.
Brother.
And this one is from my sister. Wilma Ikeda is from Japan.
It's so cool.
Thanks for sponsoring.
Thanks for
This
sponsoring.
one's for
Thank you, Ate.
fishing. Who love fishing?
Me.
Ito sa, ito sa akin, red.
Ano gusto mo?
Gusto ko yan.
Ito na lang.
Which one? Which one?
Red. Gusto ko red.
Ito na lang.
Or you choose the red one?
Yay, red.
And
Okay.
yellow for
So you have to
Kuya
assemble
Mark.
it now? Or you going to assemble
My
it
D.
now?
No, we still have 2.
Okay, this one is for
Tito Martin.
fishing.
I mean fishing.
Those who love fishing here.
Wow.
Fishing rod. Fishing rod set.
Bubble wrap.
And that cost about... Where's the price? I forgot the price. 2 of this cost 800.
I will. So
55.
No.
Is that right?
800.
55.
so
Oh,
long.
yeah.
Guys.
The fishing rod cost about 855. This is
Aton.
from Shopee.
Wow. Just food.
It's better
Mama,
than
bet.
nothing.
Papa like it.
Yes, of course.
And I'm ready to go
Yan,
fishing.
naka-joke ako siya.
I'm ready to go fishing.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
ready.
Are you done with this?
Yes.
Can we show them?
Yes.
And this
show
one is
them. Tito Martin. We're gonna use them tomorrow. What is
Yeah.
that? That has a worm? Worm?
show
It's
them.
the
show-
lure.
Show.
What is
We have lure also.
What is the lure? What is that?
Pain.
Pain.
These are the lures.
Wow! May tingalingaling pa si Belsky.
Pain ba? Pain. There's also a bell, ha?
Do you like my cat?
Inside was, can we open?
Hook.
Yeah, can I
Can we
open?
show them?
Asan may sa akin?
Yeah, show them.
Ha?
The
Ayan na
They're
red
lang.
just
one.
the same. They're just the same.
That's
This one.
why so gold.
We have some hooks here. Different sizes of hooks. Fishing
Papa,
hooks.
Antenna.
This one is...
Antenna.
This one is for what, Papa?
Antenna. Get that.
For shrimp.
Is there a
For
instruction
No.
how to assemble it? There's no instruction inside. Oh.
Let's ask you some more.
This one also is a lure. It's like a jelly.
Tito Martin has it already.
How about this one? This one is for what? The paluta?
Antenna. of the fish.
I don't know.
This is the antenna of the fish.
Can I hold the jelly?
There is no instruction, are you sure?
What is
Wala.
that
So can you assemble
Dali
it?
lang eh.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you, Ate Alona.
It's red.
Okay, next.
Okay. Next we have here the...
Camera!
I don't know yet.
I don't know yet. I know there's a bubble. Right.
Okay.
What camera?
Can I
open?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. I will open the big one.
I'll do it.
Okay.
We already sanitized it earlier.
Earlier in the morning. Because it's night already.
This morning it came.
And it's so cold. That's why we're wearing. No, not maybe.
Why is it cold?
Because it just
Rain all day.
all day. Oh.
Okay.
That is so pretty.
We
But
have
Montana
here
said Full HD.
You
Webcam.
read it to them.
Read it.
Read it to them. You read it to them. Papa.
You read us. You read it to us.
USB plug and play. HD resolution, widescreen
Why
video,
didn't see?
and built-in microphone para sa aking asawa pagla-live stream.
Like
Kasi yung binili namin na
Okay guys,
gamit
here.
naglulus.
you.
So nagkakaproblema kami.
No, easy.
Oh.
This is gonna open it.
This product is from
There's a next.
Lazada.
Wow, so pretty! So pretty, guys!
Can you read the specs or something
Mommy, we keep this.
about this Where is it?
Oh my god.
Cute!
This
Cute
one.
camera. Mommy.
Okay.
This is the
Speak
power.
louder.
It's the power. We have
Light.
HD lens. Video light. Here. And the USB.
Where's the USB?
USB 3.0 or 2.0. And the microphone.
The microphone.
Here.
Wow! Let me see. Let me
It's
see.
a widescreen.
Let me see.
180 degrees.
So
Wow.
is that good? What do you think?
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I
You like it?
love it.
We haven't tried it.
Haven't tried it.
So are you done with that?
Don't know how to use it yet.
Your papa will assemble it. Yeah.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Because it's Chinese, so wazo. You put her the instruction or the
May baka lalo kong gumanda.
saan.
Live stream.
So that cost 677.22.
That's so
So the next one will be
Jalen Cole.
master.
Da-da-da-da. Oh, this one I forgot to. This one is already also sponsored by our sister, my sister.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ate
Thank
Alona.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for always supporting us, even our live streaming. She is always supporting us. Never ending.
My turn.
This is the third
Item.
Third item.
PlayStation.
This is also from Lazada.
Is it?
Is that PlayStation 5?
Careful.
It's
PlayStation 5?
It's again computer.
What do you think?
I
What's
don't
inside?
Laptop?
I don't
Is it a
know.
laptop?
I'm excited.
Is it a here? No,
No,
you need to use the scissor.
You need to use the scissors.
Don't use your force.
Those three items are already sanitized.
Here, here.
Nice. You can even open it. I think it's laptop.
Help
Laptop, I'm excited.
her, Papa.
Or maybe a set of phones.
No.
What is it? It's like a phone thing. I like phones.
Still young for your phone.
I have laptop already.
If you're
That's
college,
not
you'll
your-
give you cell phone.
That is
My
not
phone
your
is already
laptop.
broke.
Careful.
Oh,
This
my
one
Oh.
is head.
Oh!
mic. A big mic. Here's for mic.
Ta-na-na-na.
Tananana.
Wow!
Ta-na-na-na.
This is.
Akala ko yung PlayStation ko na to.
Eh,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Nagkamali.
Nagkamali. That's what.
Basa.
Okay, the first one. Come here. We'll show them. Give it to me. So the first one. The first box is this one is the Phantom Power. This one is the Phantom Power. It's a 48V volt. New, your best choice is. Oh, you
Open
open it.
Me, I'm
Okay.
Oh!
Wow. Do you know what's the use of this?
I know.
This is the use for phantom.
What is that?
Phantom power.
This is the Phantom Power. Yeah, there is a.
Card.
Oh, you read the card.
This is
Papa.
adapter.
Yeah, we have the adapter.
I think this is for the power of microphone.
Maybe.
Itself.
Okay.
I want to open
Here
this.
is the
I will
thing.
open
So we don't put it in the here.
Mama, what is the use of that? I don't know.
So are you guys ready
It's phone.
for my Xbox?
It
Okay.
said don't have a
Wait.
microphone.
What's the use? This is the protection to
Put it
fix
here.
guard. Okay. The next. Show
Can I
them.
open it?
Condenser
I
microphone.
didn't
Show
open it.
it to them.
It's for you. Open it.
That's not for you. That's
Open
for
it just like this.
Oh, we'll show them
First.
first. We have here the ta-da-dan, condenser microphone.
Gilid mo.
This is, we use this for live streaming. Unidirectional condenser microphone, excellent. Reproduction of voice and music professional. Okay, careful.
Careful of it. It might broke. One. Traction. Many traction.
Distraction.
Guys,
This is the phone microphone.
Can I hold it?
Sure. Okay, we show them. Here it is.
It might fall. It might
Okay.
fall.
We'll show them one by one.
Okay, one by one. This is the
You hold all these
foam. The foam.
Okay, we have here
Now,
this one. What's the name of this?
He's so cute. He's so cute.
What's the name of this? Come on.
Jayden.
There.
AJ. Teka lang. hinahanap ko.
This put it. The other. This one. There. This one. So we don't know the name. Okay, we'll try it
This
later.
is this. This is the
And
next thing. This. What is this?
Jack for this.
jack for the phone. Microphone. This is the mic.
It's a gold. What's this?
What is
one?
this? The one you...
This is the shock mount. I use this word shock mount for my Pinoy Henyo games.
What is shock mouth?
This one is the shock mount.
What does it do?
Oh, careful. This one is the sound
V8
card.
sound
The
card.
V8 sound card.
Very
So
popular.
we're gonna have the video using this. We'll still have to assemble it.
And this big thing.
That's the stand.
Stand of the mic and
The
so
phone is so cute.
and so
Ano
forth.
yan?
And this one is the mic holder also. And the wires. Only the
Three
wires. Wires also.
Ano yan?
And a fishing thing.
Okay, we have
Ayan,
the,
fishing.
the
Paikot yan sa akin.
A clip.
ayan. Broadcasting and recording microphone. Okay, this is a professional condenser microphone which adapts the exacting complete electronic circuit control the gold plate diaphragm capsule. The microphone with a good cardioid polar pickup pattern, high output, low self noise, and so, pag may ganito ka pala, yung ingay sa paligid mo, so hindi nila masyadong naririnig. Eh, dito pa naman sa amin, pag may livestream ako, ang ingay-ingay ng aso kasi pag may bumibili ng siomay dun sa pamangkin ko, sa bibili siya ng siomay at kung ano-ano pa, mahagsumbong. Yan. Okay, tapos, what else? This is the specification. I don't understand what it says here because I just don't understand. Okay, this is it. We have the leaflet or our guide. Okay.
We're gonna use it later.
We're gonna
Try it.
Assemble it.
try it and assemble it first. So, I hope, guys,
doing
you're playing with a,
this.
what was that?
It's so slimy.
So that my condenser cost, that whole set cost about 2,000 and 61 pesos, 95 cents. I hope this thing will last and we're gonna try it. I'm so excited to try it. So,
Hope you enjoy.
so if you love our videos,
Please like,
share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down
Down below.
below. Guys, stay home, stay
Stay safe.
safe. We love you